Now, what is product design? A lot of people, they think that product design is just user interface design. That is very wrong. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I am a product designer and what is my process and what are the things we do that are involved in product design. So I'm going to start by showing you a project I did for a SaaS AI app. I did product design from top to bottom, everything I did, even the landing page I designed. So I'm going to share with you that project to show you the essence of what is product design. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind is that product design involves planning, competitive research. You have to research about your competitors, your users, understanding the goals, everything. And you can see here is my product design for my own website. So you can see it involves a lot of things like deciding on SEO keywords and everything. So you can see this is the different, this is just the sitemap plan for my website. About us, still I'm working on it. Services, I have built the main page. Then I have to make pages for all of these services. Then case studies, I have built a lot. Blog, and let us help you or contact us. So this is going to be my sitemap. This is also a part of product design. Let me show you my project. That was an AI SaaS app which I did everything, and I'm going to share with you what I actually did and what are the things that were involved in it. So you can see the first part on the left is UX usability issues. So what I did is I actually grabbed their current landing page and I actually discussed all the different, you can see onboarding UX problems with dashboard and everything. So this is basically a UX UI audit I did. You can see this was their onboarding. So you can see I have highlighted issues like this. So this was a problem I was getting, male, female. This is the same as this button. So there was some usability, third gender option. You can see I have given them problem. So there were 4 problems on this screen. Then step 1, again we have some problems. So this is how I did an UI UX audit for all their onboarding process. So you can see not just I did the usability UX audit, I actually showed them some of very good uses of the same thing. So you can the solutions from popular products, like you can see Calendly over here. So these are all the user experience issues. You can see spacing, some of the UI issues over here, spacing problems, proper sections. Here is another example I have given them. Another step, again problems over here. So you can see this is my solution, date, January, birth, and something like this. So they were not giving it in this format. Then again few more problems. So this was their dashboard, old dashboard. I'm going to share with you the new one in just a moment. So again a lot of issues over here. Again I have shown them a lot of solutions. So you can see over here like this. So I gave them the layout and different ideas they can implement in their own design. And again I'm going to show you how I designed their landing pages. So product design involves all this planning, this user experience design audit. Then you have to fix these user experience design issues yourself. So you can see these are the 2 versions I created. I think I started with this one, but I really love this darker one. So we finalized the darker ones. So you can see one is with illustrations, one is with human photos. We ended up voting the last one. So make sure you have to collaborate with your client, with your developers and everyone. You have to bring them in when you design something. You have to approve that. You have to vote which one is better. And then we finalize this one, and this is the landing page we did. And I am going to share with you the whole process. So we did the web design and then dashboard design. This is how it shaped out. You can see, if you remember the previous one, which was very dull. So this is the latest version which I created. So this is the top, this is the bottom, recommended courses. So this was an AI tool that calculates your assessment score for your career. So you can improve it, you can take different courses, you can follow different industries and news and everything. So this is the major problem part, which was onboarding flow. So this is the flow I have designed. You can see over here, add skills 01, add skills 02, add skills 03, and this is how I actually created this whole user experience, or you can say product. I designed this whole SaaS product from ground up, from finding its user experience design issues and problems, and doing an audit. And then, you can see these are the icon library. I mostly use icons, and whenever I use a library, I copy it inside that project, so I don't have to remember that. Okay. Again, you can see on the left, these were the old screens. You can see over here, which I improved. Okay, so you can see semantic colors, white and grays, light backgrounds, dark backgrounds, primary blues and purples. So this is how I made the color scheme. Okay, so let's move on, and you can see I have marketing and email templates I did for them. Illustrations I have used. This is premium pack, so I have copied it over here. Icons, these are all the icons I have used. And then we have inspiration ideas. This is another one. I used these for onboarding issues and landing pages. Then marketing design, you can see logo. I actually rebranded their logo, and their old logo was really strange. Let me show you this one too. So this is their old logo. This is their old logo, and this is the one I designed. We finalized this one, and these are the few options I created. I just created them, I think, inside Figma. So I did everything. I also created their pitch deck, which was this one. When you are a startup or a SaaS company and you are designing your product, you have to show your investors something. So this is slide 2, slide 3, this is another slide 5, their market validation and size, business model, how they will earn money, business model, launch plan, and timeline and launch strategy. That was a product timeline. And these were the founding members. They are just dummy pictures. I think we replaced them with the real ones. And this is the last. So you can see it involved a lot of things. This is how you do a product design. You have to do everything. Everything is included, from branding to user experience or UI design audits, to designing the user interfaces, designing the user flows of your app, like onboarding flows and everything. You have to do all that in product design. So you have to build a product from ground up and make it brilliant or awesome SaaS dashboard or product that users are delighted to use. And that is all. I think this is what a product designer do. Maybe other people might differ, but I think product designer need to do all these things, and they have to have skill set that is going to cover all these things. So I will meet you in another video. I have more than 20 years of experience as a user experience designer. If you want to, if you have any projects, or you want to share your thoughts, or you want to just get on a 15 minutes discovery call, you can go visit my website prodesign.tech, and we can discuss your project. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.